Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're going to do some Norbrook. We're going to take these little roads on the side of Norbrook, and you're going to see some neighborhoods that normally maybe people don't even film. Or maybe they do. Maybe this will be a boring video. But we're going to try to make it exciting anyway. So, without any further ado, here we go! Okay, people. We are... Did I start the camera? I gotta check. Okay. Oh, look at that. That little red plant there with the stickers.
Is the bougainvillea, I was saying.
With the little orange stickers?
These?
They have like little spikes on them. Or that just where leaves have fallen off?
It's bougainvillea. See?
Okay. I thought it had little,
prickles.
Prickles, but maybe that was because that was kind of dying. That is a nice yard there. That's the kind of yards I like, people. That is the kind of yards I like. Okay, we're gonna go to the right, and then we're gonna come down, and then we're gonna make a big circle here. That's the way this is gonna go. That's the way this one's gonna go, people. Oh, they've got a little statuette and everything in their yard. How nice, how cute. Boy, this house comes right to the road, but it's an attractive home. Oh, look at this one in front of us here that we're gonna back and turn around in their gate. Look at their yard. It's just chocked full of all kinds of beautiful, beautiful flowers and plants and everything, you know.
Those little purple things, they're pretty, but it just look like it's a shrub. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, that doesn't look like just shrubs.
Okay, see how some of the leaves have fallen off of this bougainvillea?
Yeah.
I thought those were little
prickles,
little pricklies, yeah, like little thorns. But they're not. Now I see that. Just the leaves have come off.
They look really pretty.
Those are pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, they're almost like a. They kind of have a shape like a clover.
Oh.
The shape of the flower is like the shape of a clover. You know, like a. But
that's all clover.
No, it's not clover, but the shape of the leaf looks like a clover.
The leaves are the flower.
The flower itself, the purple part.
Yes, it's shaped like clover.
Oh, that's nice. Look at that up in there. That's a nice home. Gotta get back on my own side of the road here. Well, I can't really see the houses right here, people, but
maybe the camera.
Maybe the camera, because they got it up high, which not everybody likes, but that's the way it goes. Some people. Oh, they got a swim pool there, and they got a swim pool over here too. It looks like. So.
I like it over here.
Yeah, this is really, and it's so quiet.
Yeah, the quietness.
Oh, wow.
There is some houses.
Oh, look it up in there. I
yeah.
I almost want to back up, but if they're home, they're going to be so upset. But it's really pretty up in there.
If they don't like it.
See, they've got a swim pool, although it's empty.
Oh, she's shaking.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Yeah. What's she saying?
I don't know. I don't know what she said.
She's saying something.
Maybe she knows us. Maybe she's one of our subscribers.
Oh.
It's possible.
She was just shaking her hand.
She was being friendly about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So who knows? Yeah, that could be one of our subscribers. Because usually, when I see somebody, I usually don't. Maybe I don't always see somebody, but then when I edit, you know, I'll take them out. But she seemed like she was in favor of it, so they've got some of those little red inverted cone things that I like, so. Halliday Drive. It's a pretty bougainvillea on the corner. Concealed entrance. Oh, that's so people coming can see that we're concealed. So next we're gonna go up to Norbrook Terrace next. People, let me get out of here.
There's a road goes down there too.
Yeah, that's like some acres. Maybe I should have taken that.
Yeah, and this one.
Maybe I should have taken that. But when I was looking here,
but you can
it didn't have a name. It's kind of like it's a...
Like a U.
No. Oh, look at this house. Oh, that's big. Wow. That's pretty. See, you know, they've got the... See their blue roof? That means that's kind of like been redone. Because the era of... And this one over here has got a white one. Oh, there's just some lovely, lovely homes in here.
Oh, it's pretty.
I'm going to do just one side in here because I have to come back. So I'm just going to do one side at a time. Oh. Huh. Oh, that's a nice home. More of a modern type looking home.
This one.
Yeah, that's being redone.
What this dog?
Some nice yards, nice homes.
These two dogs get a little run.
Yeah. Hi puppies. Hi puppies. Well, that's a pretty teal house. See, now that's teal and cream. It's not quite the same teal and cream as that other one, but it is teal and cream. Oh, they got a nice doorway.
This look like if we go down, we can't come up.
Now we can come back.
No, it is very steep.
Yeah, it is. We'll be able to make it though.
Oh.
I'm gonna gear down for the downhill so I don't have to ride my brakes so hard.
Whoa. Yeah.
Oh, now here's like a real modern looking house.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
yes.
Look how that glistens like it's almost got water on it.
Mm-hmm.
Like a mirror.
Yeah, it's nice. This one over here, I know you're gonna come over this side, so.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, that's just being done.
Mm-hmm.
Almost like it's going to be an apartment or a beautiful home. Oh, now look at this house. Look at this house, people. Look at this one here. Look at this. To the right here, sweetie.
When I'm on that side, I'll see.
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, and they've got a bunch of potted plants in their drive. And then there's another one down here that's secluded that you'd go straight to go into. So let's see here. Wow, that's pretty. Oh yeah, see, there's 4 of them. There's 4 apartments there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. See the numbers on them?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, they're really cute. I like them. I like them. They're very attractive. I think they were built as an apartment. That's so nice.
I think it's 2 lots, maybe 1, 2.
Well, who knows what it was initially, but that one I got a little better view from this angle, so I wanted to show it.
Police.
Police? Somebody called police on us? Maybe.
But it's legal in Jamaica.
Yeah. Well, maybe somebody just called and said, somebody's going around, we don't know what's going on. But he doesn't seem to be turning, so. He just, I waved at him and he honked, so.
Yeah, maybe they're going.
If he wanted to talk to me, to roll down his window and talk to me. That's a pretty home.
You look where you're going.
Okay. Okay. All right.
This is a nice house.
Yeah, that's a beautiful home. Oh, that's pretty there. Oh, I didn't go back to that other one then.
Yeah.
Oh well.
One Jamaica.
This is a gated place. Oh, there's a single family over there. That's real nice.
Glen,
I think this
Bay.
is a gated place there.
Mhm.
This is a single family to the right. So let me just do these. Oh, there.
They are doing some video too.
Hmm.
So they are doing some
Yeah.
video photograph.
Mm-hmm.
They have camera outside. And
Yeah.
no true road. What do you mean no true road?
It doesn't. It means it's a close.
Yes, it's a close.
I'll do these one side at a time. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to actually see this yard. I can see better from this direction, so I'm going to film it from this direction. Oh, that beautiful. Look at that. Oh
Wow,
my
look at
gosh.
that.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Wait. All those things grow. It's so nice.
Huh? Yeah, I'm just taking some videos, you know. I was going to take a video of that house right there, but I'll do it on the way back.
In my bucket.
Wow.
A government vehicle, that's another vehicle that'll come.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Wow.
Government vehicle. This one was nice.
Okay, I'll go back to this side. And then I'll turn. Oh, this is a nice neighborhood here.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Oh, look at this. People, people, people. People. I'm kind of. This for some reason seems to have more traffic, but yet there's no reason for it to have more traffic.
Because I see 1 yard have like 4 vehicles in it.
Yeah.
Norbrook Villa.
Oh, I see. We're gonna have to turn around here. Yeah, we're turning around here. Yeah, we're gonna turn around.
The man with the.
Yeah.
The man going, you know, and shoot on camera.
See, this is the
Resident of
Dominican Republic.
Yeah.
Residents of the Dominican Republic.
So to the embassy.
Yes,
live
this is an
there.
embassy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
So maybe that government thing that has passed is.
Probably
Yeah, because the
somebody
man.
with the embassy.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the second embassy we've seen along in here.
Mhm. Spain.
Yeah. Oh, look at back up in there. Look at their backyard. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look
It's
at
garage
this
for
property.
4 or 5 vehicles.
Look at this
something like
property
that.
here.
It's big.
The beautiful.
So
Look
then,
at the beautiful spread of grass and garden and
so some people property is much bigger than some.
yeah.
Yeah.
This
one is very big.
This one is just absolutely breathtaking. Those pensionas to the beyond the house that we can see.
Mhm.
That's part of the yard for this house.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, this is breathtaking. People, people, people. I don't. Oh, these are pool people.
Another vehicle is gonna come this way.
Okay.
From.
I'll pull over behind this guy so we can take a picture. He's a pool man. We'll just take a picture of this yard while they pass.
Look like it coming from that
Out of
see?
the embassy,
Yes,
maybe?
yes.
So now I'll do this side over here. I kind of want to do this side too at the same time. So let me do this one. Yeah. This is where the pool man was at. Look at that entryway. See, now look. See, it's got the two tones of green, or kind of a green and cream, and then more of a brown. Green and cream and brown. I love the color combination. I truly do, sweetie. That's a gorgeous home. My gosh. Oh my gosh.
Those things over there, they grow like some cactus and they have those flowers. No.
This house is green and cream too, the same as the one on the other side. I wonder if these are all connected to the embassy or something. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. You see that? I want to make sure people can see that. Wow. Just double wow.
Why you think it connected to the
because
embassy?
they all had the kind of the same green and cream color. There's some just beautiful, beautiful landscape right here. This is absolutely breathtaking, people. I mean, we enjoyed our video that we did before,
this street here
but
is
this one here is just
very elaborated.
This is Norbury Drive.
It's an elaborate.
Oh my goodness! Yes,
street.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm just going slow. I hope the people don't get bored of the pictures, but that's like apartments in there, gated community. And then, oh, I missed their yard. Rats. But I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back. Oh, I can kind of catch it from here, I think, if I hold my camera right. Okay. I think that across the way here, I think on anything to the right side, I'll catch on another trip. You know, when we go to when we do Shortwood. So let me go up here to Oakdale and Cedar Grove and all those. Yeah, there's Benson Terrace.
For sale.
Yes, for sale. 876-609-1004 or 1014. Yeah, I'll catch that one when I do Shortwood, but I'm gonna do Oakdale right now. Oh, look at the coconut trees and the
palm trees
and the
bougainvilleas
and
hibiscus
and just each side of the road, lovely yards and landscape.
Cedar Grove goes that way.
We drive down to the end here and turn around, and then I'll come down and take Cedar Grove. The Cedar Grove looks absolutely lovely. Oh, look at this home. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, wow,
Look
wow,
at
wow, wow.
this. Look at this. Wow.
My gosh. My gosh. I need to, somebody sent me a list of adjectives, and I forgot to bring it, because I said you wouldn't allow me to have a list that I printed out to be reading while I'm going through these neighborhoods. Oh no, that was at highway speeds.
Look at the garage is separate from the house.
Yeah, but then they've got garage on the house too. Two-car garage.
Okay.
So they've got...
This house is nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, look at this house.
Look at this one.
Oh, look it up on the top there. Wow. Oh, I like the wood windows.
Wow.
Wow. Unless they're just aluminum that, you know, are made to look like wood, but they're beautiful. They really go with that cream and white.
Yeah.
You know, actually, that color would go good with the green too.
Yes. Yeah.
Because we see that's kind of the reddish color we see with green homes.
Yeah. And it's a big house. It's really nice. It's really nice.
Oh my gosh, yes, it's huge. Try to do this one to my left first, but then I'm going to jump right over. Because this one, I just love their colors.
It's nice.
That's nice. Wow, that's a beautiful home. Okay, let me check this one over here now.
The gate is nice. The fencing is
See, look,
so
see,
nice.
2-car garage.
Yes.
And then a 2-car carport.
And where's the other garage?
You didn't see the 2 cars? Right there. Right there is a 2-car garage.
Yes, I saw those, but
No, right there where I'm pointing the camera. Look, that's a 2-car garage.
Okay.
Unless they've, you know, just changed it to not be a garage anymore.
It doesn't look like it's a garage.
Yeah, because
the garage is around there. On the outside.
Bedroom remodel. Oh, here's the stubby kind of.
Yeah, I know. It's all over. It's everywhere.
Wow.
It's everywhere.
This place is so beautiful. Wow.
Where are we looking on that hill? I don't know. Where is that?
I don't know, sweetie. Maybe we'll end up going there some other time.
Oh, there's a road to go up there.
I heard a voice. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful homes and landscapes. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, I need my adjective list. Fantastic. Wonderful.
Intricate.
That's what. Oh, what are these little black colored berries? Is that coffee?
No, I don't think so, no.
I don't know what. See them? See the little purple berries?
I don't think it's coffee. It's just some wild plant.
And there's another home there. Oh, this is just...
And I'm looking there. Look at that white place, the white house there.
Well, we might end up going up there.
Look at this house here.
Yeah, we're going there. We're going down that road next.
This is Cedar Grove close. Oh, it's a close.
Yeah, this is just a little close. Wow. Look at that home, sweetie.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
My goodness. I'm seeing some different kind of landscaping here.
This house is a nice house.
It's a nice house there too. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's a nice.
Oh yeah, wow. You got soursop in the... Yeah, they got a soursop tree right in their front yard too.
I don't know where I'm looking at over there. Look at.
I don't know, sweetie. You're looking up on the mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not trying to look there right now. I'm trying to drive and take pictures of houses.
It catches my eye.
Okay, well, I see why it does, because they're really pretty. We're probably going there eventually. I don't know if we're going there today, but here again, green and cream. Green and cream. Oh, I want to get those on the way back. So, oh, look at this yard. Look at this yard. My goodness. You know, these places seem real busy right in here, but that's because there's a lot of maintenance people and yard people and all that. You know? Look at that. Look at that. I really like when people have a bigger side yard like that, you know. Really makes it nice. Oh, this looks like this is like some sort of a town home here. Yeah. There's a little soccer field down here. Okay, yeah, I'm trying to avoid getting pictures of anybody, you know. So, Palmberries. And, what kind of tree is that?
Nice, but I don't know what.
That's kind of interesting.
Look at those fern that comes through the hole.
Yes. I'm going to turn around and do the other side now.
But don't you do this two side already? So we drove in and you do this side and then we're coming out and do that.
This is a different road. This is a different road than we went in, sweetie. We went on Oakdale.
Oh, so?
Yeah, this is a different road. Oh, that's a pretty home. Oh, this is a new home here, or just newly redone. Family home there. Yeah, this neighborhood gets a little confusing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. And I may have done some on both sides because I lose track of which ones I'm supposed to do both sides and which ones I'm supposed to do one side. So I may have done over here already. Let's see if I did or not. No, I didn't do that house. See, I didn't do that one. I did up close to them, did the landscape, but I didn't. Well, see that plant, that cactus looking plant with some sort of big balls on it, orange, yellow balls? See, look.
But don't you?
Yeah, I did this already.
We went that way.
We went down that one.
Yeah. And
well, I don't know. I don't know, people. I may be doing the same thing twice here.
Because I'm too.
Well, yeah, I got a little confused because I'm looking at the beautiful landscaping instead of looking at my GPS, which is what I'm supposed to do, is look at the landscaping. I just came because I wanted to see this house again.
Want to see it again?
Yeah.
But there is still nice house just like that. Well, it's not this house alone that is nice. There is really nice house.
There's a lot of beautiful homes.
Yeah.
But I got both sides down that one. pretty up in there.
What now? It's a big area.
Yeah, yeah.
Norbrook Way.
Okay, Norbrook Way. And we'll do each side. And then we'll wrap this up for today. So I can get home and get a video out. Look at this yard.
The house is nice too.
That's really pretty. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. That's really nice. Now is this, oh no, that goes to the next house, some of that. Oh, that house goes back far. That's a nice sized home. We've got
It's a garage
back
around
there.
there.
Oh, these are really nice homes on here, on this street. What'd I say this was? Norbrook Terrace?
Norbrook Way.
Or Norbrook Way?
Wait, I think it's Norbrook Way.
Yeah, it's Way. You're right. Or was it even Norbrook? Some of them have other names.
I think it's Norbrook
Yeah,
Way.
it's Norbrook Way. Yeah. Wow. Oh, look at that. Look at that greenery there. Even just pulling into the car.
You'll be doing over this side, right?
Huh?
You'll be coming over this side.
Yeah, I'll be
because
coming
I'm
back
nice.
the same way. Now here's some, this is a more of a light green and cream. This over here is a dark green and darker cream. Some really nice homes back up in here. Just, you know, you drive on Norbrook, and I was like, what's the point of, I see people do these driving of Norbrook, and I'm like, why? It's just boring stuff. And then
but when
you take all these little side roads,
when you get deep
my gosh,
down,
look at this backyard here. I almost want to back up, but so many people are home, and I'm getting nervous about people staring at me and not liking me. Although some people we've seen have just waved real nice, and the policeman just honked. So we're obviously not doing anything we shouldn't be. Just that some people don't take kindly to it. Like you said, sometimes these young men don't really go for it so much, but that's okay. I'm not any people that are in here that aren't in favor of it are going to get cut right out of the video. They don't have to worry themselves one bit. They will not be in my video. Their house might be though.
That house.
Nobody's gonna know it's there.
Looks like it made from some.
Looks like it's got wood on the second floor, doesn't it?
Wood, like
That's interesting. Yeah, it sure does. It's got a pretty stone front to that house. Oh, that's nice.
It's two houses.
That's two houses. Oh, and it's a duplex. This is a duplex here.
Oh, okay.
These other people on the one side have made their carport area kind of a veranda, and this side they parked in it. Huh. It's a beautiful home here to the right.
Yeah, this one.
And the landscaping
it's nice.
just really, really nice. Really, really nice. This looks like they've got an indoor pool. Can't really tell. See, this is a darker green and a darker, more of a beige than cream.
It's
Yeah.
It's a dark green.
It's not like a forest green though, but it's darker than some we see. It's nice. I like these big front yards. It just makes things so inviting.
Yeah.
You know, it's so nice and inviting. Just a lovely, lovely neighborhood. Look at this big front yard.
The house is way back.
I like that. I really like that.
This is a big piece of land too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to have a big piece of land to do that.
Yeah.
If you don't have a big piece of land, you can't do that. You just, but you know, just make do with what you can, because we went through neighborhoods that had small lots, and look how gorgeous
Orange Grove.
Orange Grove aren't huge lots. They're not huge at all.
No.
And look how beautiful it is.
Yeah.
It really just comes down to if you take pride in ownership, pride in your community, you know, you can just have these wonderful, wonderful things. Just wonderful, you know, you just come out every day and look at your yard, whether it's big or small. You're proud of it. You have pride in what you're, you know. Okay, viewers and subscribers, we're going to wrap this one up. We hope you enjoyed watching our Norbrook tour today. And I'm going to go run home and put this on YouTube. Hit our 6,000 mentioned in the last video. Want to mention it again. Thank you, everybody. We really appreciate that. We certainly do. So, big up yourself, bless up yourself. Be sure and like, share, comment and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Later.
Amen.
Yeah, amen.